Let me share one very common scenario in the live market. This is not a strategy, however, it can come in the live market a lot of time. So this is consolidation. When you see price action candles moving in range for some time, this is consolidation happening in the market, and one thing is sure, the breakout will happen either upside or downside. So we prepare our mind that there will be a breakout happening. If you see a big resistance or big support somewhere here, so the probability increases that on the other side maybe the breakout will happen. Nevertheless, we will not rush in for the trade. We will see where the breakout is happening. Wherever the breakout is happening, we wait for the 2 candle confirmation like I told you, and then we take a trade. Where to stop, you know this, 3 o'clock or risk reward ratio, or wherever the next support or resistance is there. Yeah.